Once upon a time, on the lush, vibrant island of Jamaica, there was a boy named Norman. From the moment he was born, everyone knew he was special. His bright eyes sparkled with curiosity, and he had a warm smile that could light up any room. But what truly set Norman apart was that he was no ordinary boy. He was believed to be a descendant of the gods, blessed with magical powers. As a child, Norman loved exploring the forests, listening to the songs of the birds, and helping neighbors with small chores. One day, when a terrible drought threatened his village, Norman closed his eyes and whispered a prayer. Suddenly, dark clouds gathered, and rain began to fall, nourishing the parched land. The villagers were amazed. They whispered that Norman had the power of the gods. Years passed, and Norman grew into a young man in his 20s. His powers became even greater. One day, a fierce storm threatened to destroy the village just before a festival. Without hesitation, Norman raised his hands high, and a brilliant light burst forth. The wind calmed, the rain ceased, and the storm floated away like a gentle whisper. The villagers cheered, calling him a miracle worker, a true god among mortals. But Norman was humble. He used his powers not for fame, but to help his people and bring harmony to the land he loved so much. Whether healing the sick, calming the seas, or making the crops flourish, Norman's miracles reminded everyone that kindness, faith, and a little magic could make the impossible possible. And so, Norman's legend grew, a guardian spirit of Jamaica, inspiring generations to believe in the power of love and hope, and that sometimes, miracles come from the heart of a young boy with a divine spark.